Hello and welcome to POP's Keyword Research Tools. My name is Heather Cummins and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Page Optimizer Pro. Today we will be walking through the new keyword tracking tool. Tracking and reporting on SEO progress is a valuable part of any SEO engagement, and POP's new keyword tracking tool provides you with this valuable data. Once you have your keyword strategy or keyword insights project set up, then adding tracking for keywords is a simple process. From within your project, we will first navigate to the Keyword Research tab and then select either your Keyword Insights or Keyword Strategy project where you originally generated your keywords. Moving keywords to the Tracking tab is as easy as simply selecting the keywords that you wish to track, which brings up the toolbar at the bottom of the page that allows you to track keywords. Now, obviously, you can select or deselect any keywords that you don't wish to hide. You can even hide them from the project in general before you hit that tracking button. Once you've tracked those keywords, you'll then simply navigate here to the Keyword Tracking tab. Here, you'll simply click the Start Tracking Monthly button at the top to begin tracking your keywords. You can also select to have updates emailed directly to your POP email account or to download the tracked data as a CSV or PDF file. Keep in mind that you can track up to 250 keywords on an unlimited plan and up to 500 keywords on the team plan. I hope you found this information helpful, and as always, good luck optimizing.